Brother and sister, I'm with Evangelist Godwin. He's here with me. He's an evangelist. So I want to ask him some questions. You know, say some of the youths are returning back to idolatry. Some of them don't have time for God and now. So I want to ask him, make I know what he will talk. So let's hear from him.
The truth remains that when we talk about youth returning to tradition, that is idolatry, it brings us to a point that some of those youth didn't encounter God by themselves. There's a different thing that you are born into a family of Christianity, you are dragged to church every day and now, with different things with that you encountered God. I can swear and tell you of a truth. There is no youth that encounter God genuinely, that will think about dropping God. So the reason what is causing that is that when a youth, maybe peradventure, that was forced into Christianity, that was forced by the parents, maybe tomorrow the father or the mother were deviated. If the man who led me to Christ, the man who dragged me to church and all that, his life is going Caesar, that means this God that he even told me about is not worthy to be followed. So, but when genuinely, the Bible began to tell us in the book of Exodus chapter 4, it says Moses was in the desert. He was in the desert. His prime assignment was to keep the sheep. There was nothing like mandate Christianity in his assignment. It was keeping the sheep. But when an encounter came personal to him, this wasn't because maybe God sent a man to him. God came to him. So it was a personal encounter. The staff that was used to do all sorts of miracles in the land of Egypt was guaranteed to him by God. So he can boldly defend that which was given to him. But when by that kind of story doesn't stand whenever a youth is, because there are youth, those people that are kind of lifestyle that comes with a youth. So when a man encounters God by himself, being a youth, what got hard for him to deviate? That is just the truth.